It's the holiday season.
So bring on the meat.
And every slice is a piece of heaven.
It's perfect for your holiday dinner centerpiece.
Ho, ho, ho. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
Ma, ho, 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 Loon.
Okay.
Ho, ho, ho. We're a little bit excited today
Yes.
because it's the holidays
And we're talking about meat.
we are cooking meat. We are cooking, I'm telling you, it's a showstopper of all showstoppers.
It
Just
is.
Look at that
thing.
Okay, this is incredible. We're also going to be making an amazing red wine sauce. So I'm going to get that going. I've got 4 tablespoons of butter here that I'm going to melt over medium heat.
I can't. Look
So
at
look
this.
at that.
This is all filet mignon.
That is, it is. That's a.
Are you gonna squirt me an arm?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is like a 4-pound beef tenderloin. That's
Yes.
a big one.
I'm getting messy.
I went to my butcher today, and he had whole tenderloins. And you see, if you're friendly with your butcher, with your butcher, they will tie up the ends for you and make it all nice and really.
Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, it's
this
perfect.
will comfortably feed like a nice dinner party, like anywhere from 8 to 12 people.
Yes.
No problem.
How you doing over there? Your butter melting?
I'm doing
okay?
good. I'm gonna crank up my heat here.
I'm
Okay.
good and oiled up over here.
You're getting good and oil. Okay.
Yeah, I can't
So
touch anything.
We're
though.
working as a teamwork. So now I've got 4 tablespoons of chopped rosemary. The thing that is so
rosemary
it
smells
smells
so
good.
good.
But
It's
what is
so
so
holiday.
great about this is we're going to go ahead and tell you right now, if you don't know, this cut of meat is not your cheapest cut of meat.
Now, do you want me to rub
Go
that?
ahead and rub
Okay,
that in.
okay.
Yeah, it's going to cost you a little money.
Yeah.
But it's because you're eating filet mignon. It's one of those things that's wonderful to serve at the holidays for that special occasion. And you may be thinking, if it's so expensive, I don't want to mess it up.
Yeah.
It's so great. There's hardly any ingredients.
Right. So you're not spending all your money on other ingredients.
Yeah, and it's. I'm telling you, it is foolproof. You're not going to mess it up. This steak is so good. I just put in like 3 medium-sized shallots that I've chopped. Okay, so we're going to keep turning this and adding this up till it's fully herbed and garlic.
Yay.
Okay, and I don't think I mentioned that in addition to the fresh rosemary, we've also got some chopped
Garlic.
That's a really important component.
Yes.
Now, it's really important that you liberally salt.
Get it good and salted.
Because this can take a good amount of salt,
Little
and then we're going
pepper.
to add some pepper here too, and you're gonna turn that.
Yes.
This has been going.
Yes, it's been good. You sound like my relatives.
Okay, so anyway, before we offend too many other people, we're going to now add a cup and a quarter of just good old red wine. I had some Cabernet Sauvignon. If you're not going to drink it, don't cook it.
Right, exactly.
But this is, oh my gosh, your house is going to smell heavenly.
So
and then
good.
I've got 2 cups of good quality beef broth that I'm going to add in there. Oh, it already smells good. I love the smell of cooked wine. And then I'm going to get a healthy dose of salt, a little bit of pepper, and we're going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to help you finish this.
Yes.
And then you need to let this is going to go for about 20 to 30 minutes. It's going to reduce by about half. You can do this way in advance because then it's just going to sit. This we like to let rest with the herbs and the garlic on
For about an hour.
An hour, because that really helps penetrate the flavor, and it just cooks better when it's at more like a room temperature. So we're just going to do
All
that.
right, hit me with some more salt.
Oh, the smell of that sauce, I tell you, it's incredible.
It's my knees are buckling.
I know. So this went for about 20 to 30 minutes until it reduced in half.
A nice reduction there.
Yeah, it's a nice reduction, and we're going to add some more juices to it later.
Right.
But it can sit there. You can do that 2 to 3 days in advance.
And this has been sitting here forever.
For an hour. So I know. You can also do this you can do this well in advance
Yeah.
too. You can do it the night before
I
you're
bet
serving it.
that would even be better.
It would be even better. It would be okay. So now we're going to have really fun, and we're going to put that big old piece of meat in this skillet. Now, probably what you're going to want to do is get yourself some sort of a skillet that you can cook on stovetop as well as put in the oven.
Yeah, that's even better. Just one pot.
Right. So a cast iron is perfect. A Dutch oven is perfect.
Oh,
if
we're
you
doing
don't
this.
have, we're going to do it. We're going to do the big transfer.
Here we
You
go.
don't have that, then you'll just have to transfer it. Okay. Now you may be thinking, how's that all going to fit into
We
this?
bend it.
You bend it.
There you go.
You bend it like Beckham.
Yeah.
So,
I love it.
pull that out. Anyway, so it's okay if you do this. When we first did this, we were like, is it going to stay weirdly shaped? It doesn't.
No.
It just cooks, and then it's gonna and then it
So good.
cooks in the oven like this, and it's perfect.
So here in North Texas, it's the middle of December, and it's 80 degrees. I want a little snow.
Let's just say the weather outside is not
I'm
frightful.
from South Dakota, so I would love a little snow and, maybe put on a sweater so I can have a cute little winter outfit.
Well, how about a big old roast instead?
That's perfectly fine.
Okay, so we're going to sear this off.
I'll take a roast over a sweater.
So any day. I know you well. Ho, ho, ho. So we're going to sear this off until it's nicely browned all over, and that's going to take about 7 minutes. We've got our oven preheating to 425.
Yes.
Ho, ho, ho.
Look at that, gorgeous.
It's already, it looks beautiful, but now we got to roast her off.
Oh, and you can smell the garlic and the rosemary.
Smells so good, you guys. Okay, so now my Loon's got his ho mitts on, and we are going to put it in the oven. We like to cook this to medium rare, so it's pretty pink on the inside. That's the way it's traditionally done. It's only like 22 minutes. It's going to be browner on the ends and more pink on the inside.
Yay!
All right. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
I love that this only takes about 20 minutes.
I know, it really doesn't take long. You have to keep an eye on it. Isn't that just beautiful? So that is just, it's simmering. It's so gorgeous. Okay, now we need to let it rest for a little bit because, you need those juices to just kind of settle down. And so I'm going
to have you come to me. You
know.
got it?
And then I'm going to
just go slow. There we go.
You can help kind of straighten him out a little bit.
Yes, I'll straighten him out.
Okay, so now we're not done because you saw the sauce. Now we're going to amp up the flavors on that sauce even more. There's incredible flavor in this pan right now.
Ooh,
sorry,
I'm having a moment.
I know. So now we were going to do the old deglazing method, and I've got about I like to use anywhere from a half a cup to a 3/4 cup of good old beef broth, and just use a spatula. Wooden spoon to scrape up that incredible, yummy deliciousness that's really primarily from that roast.
Yes.
And we're just going to let this simmer for about, just a couple minutes, and then we're going to add it to that sauce. Okay. This smell, I'm telling you, it's fantastic.
I love it.
Now, I'm just going to go
So
ahead
you let that reduce down some more or something?
I let it come to simmer for about 2 minutes.
Okay.
The main goal here is just to get those delicious morsels of flavor off the bottom of this pan.
This is so juicy.
I know, it's really...
I got the strings that I got to cut off.
Okay. You got the strings right here.
I got to cut them off if I can get to them.
We're having so much fun, you guys. You're going to love doing this. It's the most...
I can't wait to eat this.
I know. Now, I'm just going to transfer this right over here into our skillet.
Do you need help?
No, I'm good, but thanks. Okay, now I'm going to move this out of the way. It's an orchestrated dance right here that we're doing. Now, this is cooled somewhat, so that's good. I've got those sprigs of thyme in there. Now, I would recommend definitely straining this. Some people say, no, I like it kind of chunky. But
do you need help here? Yeah. Hold on.
Let's get it so
sure everybody can see it.
the folks at home can see what we're doing.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're just going to strain that. So this is basically just like an amazing, unbelievable au jus sauce. Okay? Fabulous.
Look at that.
That's great. Here, I'm just going to put this over here.
Okay.
Do you get your twine on?
No, I'm still doing that.
Okay. So now what we're going to do, you could serve it this sauce like this, and it would be over the moon delicious. But there's going to be some of the grease that rendered from the meat, and you've got a little oil in there. So I'm using my handy dandy fat separator. I've always said wish we had one for people, for me. Yeah. And what that does is it's so cool. Just like the fat rises to the top, and then you can separate it very easily.
Wonderful. All right, I'm going to take these off. We're going to get our nice platter out, and then we're going to slice this up and eat it. Ho, ho, ho.
I feel like the Grinch is still Christmas, but aren't they like carving? It's just so exciting. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. It's so...
Come on, press on down. There we go.
It's so...
Oh, wonderful. Just show everybody.
Look at that. Perfectly cooked. Nice and pink.
Yay!
If you want it super pink, you could let it go. I let it go to 125. It's going to continue cooking, but you could let it go to like 119, and you could. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Yes,
I know. I'm verklempt. I'm always this way when we're.
That's a little. Okay, come on over.
Perfect.
I get. Oh, y'all. Please tell me that you see this wonderful. I'm using my fingers.
See one more.
Okay, let's do it. Y'all, unbelievable. Look at how nice and red. That's perfect, Chris. That's perfect.
I know, that's the way you want
Okay,
it.
and now I just want a little bit of
Some finishing salt.
yes, some was it Maldones or Maldones?
Just some good old crunchy salt just to finish it off with.
There you go.
It's so
and
wonderful.
now this amazing red wine sauce. Here we go. This is going to be like a bona fide food porn moment. There we go. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I think I overdid it.
Oh well, you can't with this sauce.
Oh, all right, I'm going in, y'all.
Hold on, let me.
Oh, all right, all right.
We got to do this together because it's such a moment to behold.
Thank you for giving me all of this meat. Hold on.
Things heard at Chris and Wesley's.
All right.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm taking a big piece.
This is a special moment. Uh-huh. A choir needs to be singing.
Oh my stars and garters, that is amazing.
It's so tender.
Juicy, tender, that sauce, everything about it. This is 1000% Loon approved.
I knew it, I knew it. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
It is-
I
it
just,
is-
you know, the holidays just entered my body.
I mean, there is something so special about this. It's a special occasion. We love you
We
so
love
much.
you.
Merry
Happy
Christmas,
holidays.
Happy
Merry
holidays.
Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Oh, I think that's past. Yay. We love you.